What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these boring avatars completely change into these amazing looking avatars, guys. That's correct. You can go ahead and create your custom avatars, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let me tell you guys, this is going to be the most easiest way to do it. Thanks to Lapy, he's been so kind enough to go ahead and coordinate with me and make a little change on the tool, which was available before but now has been modified in order to work with all profiles. Even if you're PSN activated or you're not PSN activated, no matter what your profile status is, I'm going to cover all of that in this particular video. So guys, before we proceed, there's two things that you need. One is the PS4 Explorer for your PS4, and the second thing you need is the tool to go ahead and create the avatar. And of course, one more thing that you need is your custom avatar, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and search for one or create one as you like. Alright guys, so let's go jump into the PC and I'm going to show you the steps as well as the tool and how to get your PS4 avatar. Let's go. Alright guys, so back in the system over here, and this is the software we're going to be using, is PS4 Explorer Avatar Maker. This is not released yet. It is just something that Lapy and me worked on, and we've been able to go ahead, and this Lapy was so nice enough to go ahead and incorporate the changes specifically for the PSN activated profiles. We'll be leaving a link in the description, guys, so go check that out. So I'm going to show you how this looks. It looks pretty much similar as to this one, and you have two options here: local and offline activated. So you have two different options here for a local profile, which is not PSN activated, and then you have offline activated, which is your locally activated PSN account. So you choose one accordingly. So in this particular video, guys, I do have two accounts as I mentioned initially. So we're gonna go ahead and install the PS4 avatar for both those profiles, one PSN activated and one not activated. So before we go ahead and start making this one, guys, we need to go and get an avatar, and I'm going to show you exactly how to go and get one. So initially, guys, I face this error as well, and you probably will face it too. And the fix is very simple. You don't have to worry about it. All you got to do is install DirectX 9.0C, and I will leave the link in the description as well, so go check that out. So guys, once you download it, just go ahead and extract it, and I've extracted it in a folder right on the desktop over here. So just go scroll down and click on the setup, and once you get the setup done, you should be having DirectX 9.0 installed. So let's fire up your internet browser and just go to Google Images. So I'm going to type that down, images.google.com. So guys, once you're in Google Images, go ahead and type a game that you want. So in order to go ahead and search for a specific avatar, go ahead and type the game name, for example, Call of Duty. And then once you type the game name, just type avatar at the end of it. And there you go, guys. You do see a lot of different avatars that show up, and make sure, just a little quick tip over here, make sure it's a box format. A little bit longer than a box should be okay, but then don't go for images like this, because it'll be extremely compressed and you would not look the same. Let's check out another game, guys. For example, Resident Evil Village, and everyone's going gaga about this particular one right here. So when you just type just the game name, you're going to get all these pretty big images. So you just have to type avatar next to it as mentioned. Once you do that, you're going to start seeing avatars like this lady that people are going crazy about. Now this picture will not do well because it's kind of too long for a box format. So guys, just choose one accordingly, and I've already chosen one for one of my profiles. I chose a God of War icon, so let's go for... Alright guys, just for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose a random thing here. So I'm going to type down Warframe avatar and probably pick one of these things over here. So let's see, I think I'll go for this one. So guys, once you open this up, just right click it. You can either open the image in a new tab or save images directly. So I'm going to choose this. Make sure it's a JPEG image, and then go to desktop. I'm going to save it here. You can save wherever you like. Just going to save it over here. I already have, this is what I chose for my particular profile. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one here, call it Warframe, and save. So once it's saved, guys, this is how you go ahead and search for an avatar for your PS4 profile, and this is how you get one. And once you save it up, we're going to go and fire up the avatar maker. So guys, ensure to choose this one correctly based on your profile. If it's local and not PSN activated, choose local. If it is offline activated, as in PSN activated, click this and then double click this image to choose the picture that you want. So I'm going to choose Warframe. There you go. This is how it's going to look, and I'm going to click on export avatar. So guys, as simple as it is, I do have a few avatars already exported. So I'm going to put this as PSN activated, just so that we understand which one it is. So I'm going to do two different examples. This is the PSN activated example, and I'm going to save it right there. Now guys, I'm going to go and fire this up again, but this time I'm going to choose local, and instead of the red one, I'm going to use the white background God of War for the non-activated one. So let's go and click export avatar, and I'm going to put God of War white Non-PSN. Alright, so I'm going to click on save, and that's about it, guys. So now that you've done this, what we're going to do next is going to open up your external pen drive. For pen drive, as you can see, I do have God of War PSN Red already here. I'm going to use this for my own profile. And now we're going to get the other few ones that we actually exported right now. So as you can see here, I do have God of War White Non-PSN. I'm going to copy this over to my pen drive. And I'm also going to copy over Warframe PSN-Activated. So I'm going to copy this over here. There you go, guys. I do have 3 different avatars, all ready and good to go. One for my own profile, one for a non-activated profile, and one for the activated profile. So once you have this all ready, guys, just go ahead and eject your disk and let's move to the PS4. Alright guys, so here we are on the PS4, and I do have 3 different accounts as I mentioned. So I do have Sam, that is PSN-Activated. You can know that by the italics on the username, guys. And then you can see here, unactivated. This is how I named them so you understand how this works. So this is activated, this is unactivated, and this is my primary profile that I'm actually using. And I do have a PSN-Activated with my official account from my PS4 Pro. So guys, with that in mind, what I'm going to do, I'm already jailbroken, so I'm going to go into Sam right now. Okay, so as you can see, I am jailbroken right now, so I'm going to go to settings all the way down and debug settings. So guys, I do have my USB pen drive plugged in, the one we just copied the files into, all the avatar files. So I'm going to open up PS4 Explorer, guys. So again, thanks to Lapy for making such an amazing tool for the PS4 homebrew. So all you got to do, guys, just to understand how this works, if you hit the option button, you should be able to see a bunch of information on what every key actually does. So as you can see here on the left side, you can see USB 0 and USB 1. That's the 2 USB ports. I do have my pen drive plugged into USB 0. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit the left arrow, and as you can see, guys, USB 0 loads up. And if you remember, I did copy 3 different files over here. That's God of War PSN Red for my official account, and then God of War White for the non-PSN account, and Warframe for the PSN-Activated. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and install them one by one. So I'm going to hit X. And sometimes, guys, if you hit just X, nothing loads up. You might have to double tap it once and just give it another shot, and there you go. This should pop up, and now it's going to ask you which user you want to install the avatar in. So guys, I'm going to go and choose this for Sam. As you can see, I do have the 3 different accounts here. There's Sam, activated, and unactivated. So I'm going to go to Sam, I'm going to click OK, and boom, if you look at the bottom left corner, it should say avatar installed. Awesome, so now I'm going to go for the non-PSN one, and that's going to be for unactivated. Click on OK, avatar installed. And finally, I'm going to go for this one, and I'm going to choose it for the activated. Click on OK, avatar installed. So guys, that is as simple as it is. So that's about it. So I'm going to go ahead and quit out of this one right now. I'm going to close the application, and I'm going to log out of my PS4 so you guys can see how this avatar has been injected. You don't even need to restart your PS4, guys. Just log out of there, and you should be able to see everything in place. All right. Moment of truth, let's hit the PS button. There you go, guys, right over here. So as you can see, Sam is right there, my official profile, and then you have the unactivated one, which injected with the God of War with the white background, and then I do have this one, the activated profile, which is also activated, and as you can see, it has the Warframe one that we chose. So guys, this is as simple as you can add a PS4 avatar onto your profile. So I hope you found this video pretty helpful, guys, and this is as simple as it is. And thanks a lot to Lapy for integrating the new update as we discussed together, and we got this tool updated. And there you go, guys. It makes it really simple for you guys to go ahead and choose whatever avatar you want and have it installed on your PS4, being PSN activated or not PSN activated, either ways. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and drop it a like, drop it a subscribe, and drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, and let me know what else would you like to see in this particular channel, and I'll be glad to help you make this particular videos. I know there's a lot of videos pending, guys. I just need to get my time to do that, and I will eventually get around to it one way or the other. Alright guys, well, you have a great rest of the week, and I hope you enjoy your time. Happy gaming, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.